Venga.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Please make room.
Rid of 41.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Do you have anything to say about all the turmoil your film is causing? Anything to say at all?